Today we are going to divide polynomials using long division. First of all, let's practice our long division like we did in elementary school. So pause the video and work these problems. Come back and check your answers. So 531 divided by 3 is 177. 672 divided by 21 is 32. The same process that you use to do this division, we're going to use when we're dividing polynomials. The divisor algorithm says that you can divide polynomial p of x by polynomial d of x to get the quotient q of x and a remainder r of x. And something to note, that if your remainder is 0, then this polynomial is a factor and this quotient is a factor of that polynomial. What in the world does that mean? Let's take a look. First of all, steps to long division is you're going to put each polynomial in standard form with 0 coefficients where appropriate. Then divide, multiply, subtract, and repeat until the degree of the remainder is less than a divisor. Looking at this problem, we're going to divide this polynomial by this binomial. So x minus 5 goes into x squared plus 2x minus 30. How many times? Let's just look at this first term. X goes into x squared how many times? What do you multiply this x by to get x squared? Why, x, of course. So once you determine that x times x is x squared. X times negative 5 is negative 5x. So then you will need to subtract this from up here. So you are actually going to be changing the signs. X squared minus x squared, that zeroes out. 2x plus 5x, because minus minus makes that plus, will be 7x. Bring down your next term. 7x divided by x is 7. It's a positive 7. Then reverse. 7 times x is 7x. 7 times negative 5, negative 35. Subtract this one from this one. 7x minus 7x, the x's cancel out. Negative 30 plus 35 is a positive 5. So we have a remainder of 5 with this one. You can either write this x plus 7, remainder 5, or later on, x plus 7 plus 5 over x minus 5. You may see it in both fashion. Let's do another example. We're asked to determine whether x plus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. Well, remember when I was talking at the first of the lesson, if this has got a remainder of 0, when this polynomial is divided by this, then it will be a factor. So let's see if we get 0. This is our polynomial, dividing it by x plus 2. So x goes into x squared x times. X times x is x squared. X times 2 is 2x. Subtract this one from above. That's going to leave me 8x. Bring down my next term. X goes into 8x 8 times. So 8 times x is 8x. 8 times 2 is 16. Subtract with a remainder of 0. Because I have got a remainder of 0, x plus 2 is a factor of x squared plus 10x plus 16. Okay, let's practice that on our own for a little bit.